Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Kintan Pahira with student ID number 6701213056 from Diploma of Information System, School of Applied Science, Telkom University. Here, I will present my internship report. The topic I raised was analysis of the creation and preparation of Helium website documentation at PT Global Inovasi Cyber Indonesia. Background or problems that occur are due to the current conditions. Helium website documentation is still not optimal to provide adequate guidance for users. Then the information provided is not organized and still cannot be accessed quickly. So that from this problem can make user dissatisfied and have difficulties during internal maintenance. Therefore, it is necessary to make Helium website documentation. Based on the background of the problem that I have described earlier, the formulation of the problem to be studied is how to provide well-organized and adequate documentation so that it can facilitate the use of the Helium website. Then the solution that needs to be done to overcome this problem is the first, in the preparation of the document structure in order to become good documentation, it is necessary to organize it systematically and easily accessible. By applying certain steps such as implementing a tagging system and grouping content by topic can provide a more efficient search experience. Then the second solution is to improve the organization of real tutorial and step-by-step guides that will provide structured presentation of information. Furthermore, in making Helium website documentation so that it can be accessed quickly and easily by users, the solution that can be done in the development of documentation that can be accessed publicly. Then there are the objectives to be achieved, namely the first, provide a better user experience through the provision of structured and easy to understand Helium website documentation. The second, provide user-friendly documentation so that user can easily understand and use the feature provided by the Helium website. The third, reducing the level of difficulty of user in finding information on various feature guides when using the Helium website. And the fourth, improve internal maintenance efficiency through the provision of technical documentation that facilitates technical team in troubleshooting and routine maintenance. This final report will focus on creating user documentation, such as user guides and tutorials, and also the creation of other technical documentation, such as Helium website technology documents and Helium website feature flowcharts. The following is the logo of the Cyber Army Indonesia, and also the organizational structure of the Cyber Army Indonesia. Then the description of the work section. Technical writer is the job responsible for creating and compiling clear and understandable technical documentation. The main responsibility is to gather technical information, design and organize it into documents that are accessible to a wide range of audience. For the job list at technical writers, the first is a product or a process understanding. Second, documentation writing. Third, formatting and editing of documents. 4. Collaboration with the development team. The 5th, documentation update. And the 6th, use the technical aids. The following is the workflow of the technical writer that has been made in the form of a flowchart. Then for an overview of the current system, starting from receive a direction to create documentation. Then start by learning thoroughly about the feature and how to use the Helium website. Next, communicate with the development team to get detailed information. Then document is continuously updated based on feedback from development team. Next, document that have been created are evaluated by superior and make improvement. Then after improvement are made, the documents are reviewed to ensure their accuracy and quality. After the document is approved, the document is ready to release. Then it will continue to be released regularly, update documentation to keep it accurate and relevant. But the results are only in the form of documents. Then the system development. The technical writer proposes the system that can be used, namely by creating documentation that can be accessed publicly. The technical writer develops it by using a platform that can create documentation sites so that they can be accessed publicly. The platform in question is Docosaurus, a static site provider that can build a single-page application, so that technical writer not only create documentation in the form of documents, but can be developed into the site that can be accessed publicly. The following Helium website, Helium user gets project use Visual Studio Code tools for content editing. Then this is for the result of the user gets website that has been published on the server. User can immediately see the gets in the detail with just a click, without having to first download the gets document. The following are the various final results. Namely, the first, user get documents. In the Helium website, user get a document. A tagging system is implemented so that searches can be efficient. Then, flowchart of Helium website feature. For the flowchart of Helium website feature, it is made as process documentation in each of Helium website features so that it can be a source of better understanding of the workflow of each Helium feature. Furthermore, the Helium website technology document. On the Helium website technology document provides a concise overview of the technological foundation used in the development and maintenance of the Helium website. Then, for the Helium website user get website, it is done so that the user get can be accessed publicly without downloading the get in download form, in document form, so that user can quickly and easily access it. So that the creation of these documentations can be an effective solution in providing well organized and adequate documentation so that it can facilitate the use of the Helium website. In addition, it can fulfill the objective to be accepted. Well, that's all from my internship report presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.